हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू ब्यूटी रिव्यूज़ विद मोनिका। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरा क्विक रिव्यू अबाउट दिस बायोटिक का विंटर ग्रीन क्रीम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। I have acne prone skin, as you can make out. I have active acne which is slightly covered with foundation. Because of that, I always try different kinds of like acne cream which will work faster, and that will be also natural and organic kind of product. So I have already reviewed this Biotic Myristica cream or a pack, and I missed that over this because I have this. I want to finish it off and then go back to that, because that face pack, that's a small tub, same like this paste kind of mask which you can apply and it will dry after like 5-10 minutes, but that works better I feel than this is a winter green cream. Okay, this is simple kind of moisturizing cream which you can apply on your blemishes or your acne or your active acne, and it will actually start working on that because it has a lot of ingredients which will like calm down your acne. I don't like its strong smell or fragrance, that's why I use it less now, but still it works on the acne which are small to medium. But if it is like a big acne like I have it here, it takes a little bit longer to calm it down. So mostly like 7 to 8 days you have to continuously use it day and night, then it will have a difference. Otherwise, like in 2 to 4 days you won't see any much difference. But if it is small bump, small acne, then it will work faster on that, because obviously it takes like time on the big and cystic acne. I think this fragrance is similar to any kind of balm like Move or any kind of Amrutanjan, or that kind of balmy fragrance it has. But if you really want to go for a creamy kind of and acne spot treatment, you can go for this if you don't like the pack one. Otherwise you can try that also. Both are affordable because Biotic is affordable range I feel, and if there is any discount I think you can stock it up. This is something which will slightly burn when you apply, so whenever I apply it, it has that strong ingredients which will start working, and it will have that burning and light tingling sensation which you will understand immediately. And you have to wash your face, apply on your acne, don't apply all over. I don't know if it is recommended, because on the bottle it is said that use on affected area. So whatever area you feel like you have acne or bumps or small kind of zits, you can apply on that area. It's gonna burn slightly, don't worry. If it turns too red or if it gives more kind of rashes or something, I think it's not suiting you. You can definitely stop that there and don't use it again. So it depends. You have to keep an eye when you introduce any kind of even natural creams, how many times you can apply and when to apply. You can apply it morning, night, whenever you are at home, you know that you're not going anywhere, because it has to be there on your face at least for 20 to 25 minutes. Then you can wash it off and apply your other things that you need. It's a kind of infection or a bacteria formation, so this is a natural way of treating your acne. If you have any questions particularly which I have not covered in this review, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.